Welcome, in front of me is a Honor 7A, and today I'll show you how to access the recovery mode on the device. So to get started, you want to hold power key, and then tap on power off once more. Wait for the device to shut off. So once it has, we can now hold the power key and volume up, both of the keys at the same time. And once you see the TIM logo, you can let go. And we're now in the recovery mode. So from here you can tap on each one of the options. So for instance, like so. Now let's just tap on no. So you can access here the hard reset by tapping on wipe data factory reset. You can also wipe cache partition or just simply reboot the device by tapping reboot system now. Now I'm just gonna do the first option just to get back to the Android. And we're back in the Android. So that is how you would access and also leave the recovery mode. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.